We got the famous Honopool archway coming into view here. That's a 90-foot archway. Keep in mind our sailboat mast is 86 feet tall. We would fit underneath that archway if there was water, and there was water. That's what carved this out. That's a sea arch. The sea level has receded. Big sand dune moved in, and a dreamy waterfall back there as well. There's a really cool swimming hole right at the base of that waterfall. So when you swim to shore, you can go rinse off. Waves hitting the coast, bouncing back into the oncoming wave here, so pretty smooth, but definitely not organized. So just be using those handrails. So you see all the horizontal lines in the cliff here? Those are all individual lava flows. The rope makers for the Nepali coast. They take coconut husk fiber and weave it together with tree bark fiber to make a really strong rope they use for everything. Remember, Hawaiians didn't have many tools before the Europeans arrived, so rope was one of the primary sources for constructing, building homes, outrigger canoes, beautiful fishing nets, and eventually they started trading it with Europeans. And the Europeans loved it, raved about it in their journals for its durability and strength. The trade was 100 yards of rope for one single nail. Somebody else had to rip the deal. The Hawaiians figured out they could take that nail and they would bend it into a fish hook. It was a lot more stable than, say, shell or bone raven wood. All made right here on the beach. So you see, you got kayaks up there. There's an outrigger, jet ski, water access only here. It's impossible to hike in. So you got a boat in, swim, SUP, however you want to get here. Water transportation only. Swim here. Really was. Alright, we're gonna pick it back up. We got beautiful Nolo Kai.